In this video, I'm going to show you the experiment false fire sensor. For that, let's choose the fire sensor and LED module. Let's connect the fire sensor first pin to the power supply positive. Let's use the third pin to the negative of battery or to power supply. Now let's connect the center pin, that is signal pin of fire sensor, to the positive of LED. I'm using yellow LED here. Now let's close the circuit by connecting negative of LED module to negative of battery. What is false fire sensor? Now you can see that there is a bead which actually detects the fire, and there are two metal conductors which are elongated from fire sensor to the bead. So if any metal conductor touches or short circuit these two metals, then we will get a false fire output, or sensor will give a false output. It means even if there is no fire, if we short circuit these two metal conductors by touching any conductor just like a pen nib or any other, then it will give signal output. While doing any experiments, you have to avoid this problem.